guys, Rainbow Girl 96 here with
Light15000.
So we are going to film a video on like our shop, my shop. We tried doing hers and it didn't go as well as we thought, so
Yeah.
we're not gonna do mine. I'm gonna go to my den now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get, I have pretty good stuff out.
Yeah, we were doing the Macarena.
Hello.
I like how the bunny looks so cute just when doing the Macarena.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go to Jamon Town, so
Yeah, you wouldn't want to watch my screen.
this land's full. Try again, okay. Try again.
Did you know that arcade that you have in your den is actually
Oh, what?
is actually a Sapphire Worth item?
I know. I don't want it, so I'm gonna go to Crystal Sands. I know it's probably not that popular, but Jamon Town's full, so can't go. Is there anyone here?
There's not really any more people
If
there.
you go to friends, if you click friends and then click near, there's like
There's 2 guest jammers and 2 new jammers.
3 actually. Well, I can just tell them. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick, just for a second. Sorry, I had to just type something, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the jump on the thing if you want, because that's how we do it up here. I'm gonna do the Macarena here.
Sorry, Siska, it's a little blurry. There we go.
Are you back at your den? Because there's someone here.
I'm gonna say it again, okay? See if I can get someone else's attention. Is it a guest streamer?
No, it's actually my friends. I think it's one of my friends. It's Minty.
Okay, we are getting luck. Say it again, okay?
It's a jump on the thing you want.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh my gosh, there's so many people here! Because people were spawning there, so. I'm gonna say it again.
I'm telling you, just come back.
Sorry.
This is your den.
I know. But there's so many people here.
Come back.
Could I say it one more time?
There is 3 people here. You should come back.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Put the mechanical
2,
dragon on trade.
1. Going back.
Put the mechanical dragon on trade.
Okay. Now we're having luck here, guys. Yay.
You're having a look, of course.
Okay, plushie all over the place. I'm gonna click. So tell me if anyone's jumping on.
Well, the mechanical dragon is what someone's jumping on.
Okay.
Okay, purple phantom plushie.
Drag.
I don't have. Can you? I don't have the purple phantom plushie. And she's actually asking me because I actually
Where's the one?
told her to shop in my den. Oh my goodness. There's this glitch where like it will change your animal's color, and like you have to change it back.
It's annoying.
Yeah, you change it your animal back to the original color it was. Put the purple phantom plushie on trade.
I did.
Okay. Tell her it's. Well, this is your shop, not mine.
People, if they just click the bottom of that, like right there, then they'll know that it's.
I have the,
and then they
I
click
only
it.
have the I only have the orange-eyed one.
Oh my god, these people are just like. Here you go. No. Do you think it's worth it?
I don't think it's worth it because that is a mechanical dragon.
I know.
Oh my gosh. I mean,
Sorry. people.
I don't know what happened. The game just randomly logged me out. It's a I think it crashed on me.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
I'm accepting it.
Oh, and my eyes got changed too. They used to be really cute eyes.
Is this a shop? Yeah.
It is. Durr.
Yes, that's what the title of the video is called. Okay.
Tell them I'm recording. Say hi.
I am filming. Say hi.
No, just like put the camera down and type
Yeah,
it, because that's
it's
gonna
easier.
be easy for you.
I'm filming.
Say hi.
Say hi. Ooh. Sorry.
Reply. Like, just say it.
No. The same trait.
It's the same trade over
I'm
and
filming.
over.
Say hi. Say. I told them I'm filming. Say hi.
Yeah.
Oh, someone literally just said hi. These people are saying hi.
Yeah.
Shout out to them.
Yeah, they have a channel.
I'm Coco. Coco wants it. Coco wants it. LOL.
We have a popsicle stand literally here.
I want to watch it. I can't really tell them what it is. So.
Tell them we're Rainbow Light and tell them we're pop,
Rainbow Light Pop Fingers. I
Like,
can't really
wait.
tell them.
like Rainbow Light. Just like
What's this person jumping on?
they're jumping on the yellow wolf.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the macarena on the table. No, I'm just kidding.
I find it so funny. I just said I'm filming. Say hi.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the macarena. Man and a mean and a moon. Macarena. I love the macarena. I think the bunny, when the bunny does the macarena, it is so cute.
We just told the person we're filming, and then they randomly just said hi. So.
I find it cute how the bunny does the macarena and you can't even see me on the
We're
screen.
filming. Say hi. I'm gonna say it again.
Oh my god, I'm done. The guy still wants the mechanical dragon.
Yeah.
Just do
Yeah.
it. Just do it. You can recycle the popsicle stand.
Can't forget you. Channel. So.
I'll tell him the channel name.
The channel's
So,
Rainbow.
stop it. I already know how to spell it.
Just say Rainbow Light and even though it's Rainbow Light Pop.
No, let's just say Rainbow Light.
We're going to end the video soon
Yeah,
because it's getting a little too long. It's already been 9 minutes. So, yeah. But I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and all that stuff. Comment down below video ideas. And anything you have to say, Lightwood?
Tell him that we're ending. Say bye.
We are ending. We are ending. We are ending. The video. The video. Say
Bye.
bye. You're ending it. Oh, so really excited. I just find that funny.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
You heard it from Duchess Magic Ball.
Bye. Peace
Bye.
out.
Peace.